Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 12th, and this is my recap of the top field videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full down analysis on the pound dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar really didn't do a whole lot on Friday. It kind of looks like it already had a little bit of an expanding, triangle type situation here, which does kind of make me think that this very easily is going to make a higher low and end up continuing the uptrend. I think this back here is the end of an ABC correction. We got a nice break of structure, so maybe it will go back down a little more to retest structure before it actually does continue up. Either way, I'm definitely very bullish until we at least get a break of structure on the downside on the higher time frames. I think there's a good chance this move could make a higher low, but even if it does go down, maybe we test these highs right here, tops become bottoms. That would be an even better setup to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups at the time of entry that I share with my members by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.